In this video, I'll show you how to upload images, files, and PDFs in Salesforce step by step, so your documents are organized and easy to access. We'll start by locating the Files tab in the top navigation bar, which acts as your central file library. If it's not visible, you can customize the navigation to add it. Inside the Files section, you'll see previously uploaded documents along with details like owner and last modified date. To upload something new, click the Upload Files button, select the image, PDF, or document from your device, and confirm. Salesforce will display a progress indicator, and once complete, the file appears in your list. From there, you can share it with records, colleagues, or teams based on your permissions. Keep file names clear and ensure you're uploading the correct version, as orgs may have size limits or sharing rules set by admins. If this guide helped, subscribe for more simple Salesforce tutorials.